Hey you. Hey, yo. Guess what? I reached 100K. I reached 100K, son. Like, thank you guys so much. Kimchi gang, what, like, y'all is showing down this stuff, like, I'm happy in the mug, happy in the mug, happy in the mug, happy in the mug, happy in the mug. I hope you enjoyed that little break and that little, like, celebration with me. So, in this video, we're going to be talking about five myths that you should stop believing, because you shouldn't believe everything you hear and see and shit and stuff, you know? So, I have it written down right here, don't cheat. Okay, so the number one myth that is not true. Cutting your hair does not make it grow faster. So if you just cut all your hair off thinking your hair about to grow 10 times faster, it's not. No, it's not. It doesn't make sense, okay? Hair grows from the root. If you cut from the end, that does nothing for the root. It does nothing for the root, okay? Only thing that cutting your hair does is help with split ends, help retain length, and all of that good stuff. But as far as growing your hair, it's a no. It's not gonna do anything. So yeah, if you're cutting your hair thinking it's gonna grow 10 times faster, it's not. It's a myth. Sorry to break it to you, but you know I don't sugarcoat. The next one is that cold shocking makes your hair shinier. It doesn't. And some may say it doesn't even close the cuticle. I don't know. I ain't did enough research for that, but I do know that doing a cold shock does not help your hair appear shinier or anything like that. Moisturize your hair so it can get shiny. And when it's moisturized and it's juicy, it's shiny. So just moisturize your hair and it'll get shiny. But cold shock doesn't necessarily do that. I see where they were going with that. They were saying like if your hair is moisturized and you close the cuticle, then it appears shinier. But no, it doesn't. You have to actually, you know, moisturize your hair. And doing the cold shock or not doing a cold shock is still, your hair is still gonna be shiny if you put the right products on it and stuff. So yeah. Number 3, split ends can be repaired. Oh my God, if I see one more video or one more product saying that it gets rid of split ends, I'ma scream. Honey, no, it's not. No, it's not gonna get rid of any split ends. Nothing. No, nothing. No, that oil, no. Okay, that balm, no, it's not doing it. Sky, honey, sit down, please. You are such a sweet girl. If they're split, you gotta cut it, okay? It's split, just cut it, sis. Let it go. Those ends are gone. Long gone, sis. Cut that shit. Okay? Number 4. This is a myth that, like, I don't understand where or why the natural hair community is so afraid, but adding heat to your hair causes heat damage. That's a myth, guys. Now pause. If you apply too much heat to your hair, it can cause heat damage. But what I'm saying is, you guys gotta chill. Heat to your hair is not gonna cause heat damage. Your hair burns at 451 degrees Fahrenheit. You have to literally hold the flat iron to your head or do like multiple passes for your hair to burn. And when you are doing multiple passes, let's say you have your flat iron on 451 degrees. You flat iron it, then you do it again, then you do it again. That heat is still in your hair, so you're adding additional temperature to your hair each swipe, which is causing a crazy amount of heat. That's probably at 500 degrees Fahrenheit by the time you do 3 quick passes, and then your hair is burning, okay? That, my friends, is heat damage, okay? Because I get a lot of questions about, oh, you sit under the dryer every time you do your wash and goes, like how does that cause heat damage? Or are you applying a heat protectant? No, I don't apply heat protectants. You guys see my curls still be popping, okay? And when you are sitting under a heated dryer, that heat is circulating. There's not 450 degrees just like going right at you at one time. First of all, it's in a dome shape and it's distributed in a way that won't cause any type of damage. It's not even hot. As you can see, you can keep your head under there for quite some time. You know, But if that thing was really 450 degrees, you think you keep your hair under that long? Do you think that you keep your hair under that long? Like, no, baby, you cannot. You cannot. So just gotta be smart about it. Make sure your temperatures are low. Even with blow dryers, like, no, you can't get heat damage from just blow drying your hair. But if you sit there with that blow dryer right here on this one spot, I'm sorry, you're gonna damage it because you're gonna reach 451 degrees of heat, and it's gonna keep getting hotter and hotter and hotter, and your hair is just gonna break off and be brittle and all that kind of stuff. So it's a myth, sis, and I just wanted to clarify the actual myth of it all. And there you go. Thank me later, girl. Thank me later. And the fifth one, I know some of y'all about to click off the video, but I don't give up, okay? You can click off the video if you would like to, but this is a myth. Your hair texture does not change. It's a myth, sis. It's a myth. It's a myth. If you think about it, do you honestly think you have the same hair you have as a child, as a baby? When you were born, do you feel like you got the same exact hair texture? No, guys. No, you don't. Am I saying you about to go from 3C to 4B overnight or something like that? No. But what I'm saying is your body changes and your hair changes with the foods that you consume, how you're treating your body, what are you doing, your routine, your hair texture will change over time. I don't know if you guys have noticed people with gray hair, their curls are not as tight. They're older. Their bodies have changed. Your hair texture changes, okay? Because your hair is changing as much as you are changing as a person, as your diet changes. When your life changes, your hair changes, your skin changes, your nails change. So that was just a myth. It's a myth, guys. Your hair texture actually does change over time. So yeah. So yeah, guys, that is all 5 tips. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video because I enjoyed finding these for you. Like, I've seen a lot of videos that had a bunch of hair myths, and some of them I was like, I don't know about that, but these are the ones that I am really true to, and I'm like, yes, that is accurate information. But if you don't agree, it's fine. Do you, boo? I ain't gonna tell you how to do your hair, okay? On time. So, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video.